ko Pirongia tuku maunga, ko Waipā tuku awa, ko Kawhia tuku moana, ko Ngāti Maniapoto tuku iwi, ko Ngāti Hikairo tuku hapu, ko Raiatea Barlow-Kameta tuku moa. I'm doing my Masters in Physical Geography down in Wellington. It kind of came about in a lot of different reasons. I did my Bachelor's of Science down there, looking at geology and geography, taking on all of the historic geological contextual stuff, because you learn about how the earth is formed, how it changes over millions of years, how the climate changes over millions of years, and then looking at the current day, it sort of makes you think of the bigger picture. So instead of thinking of how we live now, I kind of see the way the Earth's journey is going to change into the future. If we want to stick around longer, then we have to, make sure that we're doing it for us and our environment, not just us. So kind of specifically with my Masters at Marakopa, looking at flooding and erosion, and the social aspect is really important because Marakopa is really data scarce. So for the hard science stuff, we need things like flow like every 10 minutes and rainfall every 10 minutes and evaporation rates and all this kind of stuff. We use interviews to kind of flesh out our understanding down on the ground. So with my interviews, I ask people where floods were, how the catchment responds to flooding, all this kind of stuff, to get an idea of where floods have been, and then when we put it into a model, they tell us, they calibrate the model and let us know where floods will be. Haututu, just tutuing around and stuff, like that is science. So if you go around, if you make mud castles or you build stone forts or whatever, what you're doing is essentially like changing the environment, experimenting, all this kind of stuff. You've already got it in you. So just, take it to the next level and start kind of combining your background with their knowledge, and then it makes you kind of person who can walk in both worlds, can do both things, walk the talk, speak their language but do it better than them, because you've got culture and you've got background behind you that's pushing you to do more than what any other science student is probably doing.